Eagle wanted today, so I'm going to get straight to the point. Do you see that pun there? And today I'm just feeling rather smelly, and I'm going to have a bird spike bath. This is the challenge, the bird spike bath challenge. Without further ado, let's begin and unpack these bad boys. Welcome back, guys. I thought I'd get a little close-up of a lovely cleansing bath of goodiness. I'm going to set the camera up and I'm going to hop right in the tub. Let's do it. Welcome back, guys. This is the best camera angle I can get in the bath of actually displaying them all in the bath still, and myself, hopefully. So without further ado, time to cleanse. Oh shit, nearly fell in already. Alright, on the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, and a 3. And I jump. Oh! 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 Fuck! Oh my balls! Oh! 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 Fuck! Oh! Fucking dots everywhere. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Sorry for the swearing, I don't mean it. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, fuck. Oh, the first one nearly got me in the arsehole. Oh. Fuck this. I'll do this shit again. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Welcome back, guys. Blazing Eagle here, back again. I've just pulled down my shorts and got a nice little bit of a lovely one down there, and a bit of a cut little dots. But yeah, that one's a bit of a seeper to add to the Blazing Eagle scars. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, remember to hit a like and keep this all going, because if you want me to see you do stupid stuff, just keep on it, keep subscribing, liking and favouring the videos. Subscribe if you want to see more, but YouTube service is always broken and never get the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. I've been One Blazing One. I'm signing out.